We are going to discuss the diet chart for diabetes in pregnancy. When a patient is pregnant and with the diabetes in pregnancy she comes, we should advise her regarding the amount of the calories needed. Okay, but in order to give her a specific chart, we need to remember how much is amount of calories in the specific food items. Okay, we can't remember each and every food item, but few of them can be remembered. Like 1 cup of tea without sugar contain 50 kilocalories. Okay, but it should be without sugar. And when we talk about fruits, if patient says that I like to eat fruits, then 1 orange and 1 apple contain 60, or 1 apple contains 60 kilocalories. Mean 1 apple contains 60 kilocalories, one orange contains 60 kilocalories. Okay, but if she says that I like banana, that contains about 100 kilocalories, means 95 kilocalories. Okay, and if she wants to take glass of milk, then we should tell her that the milk, a glass of milk without cream contains 100 kilocalories, and 1 plate of salad contains 100 kilocalories. 1 vegetable sandwich contains 100 kilocalories. Okay, but if she likes to take the boiled rice, then we should tell her that it contains 125 kilocalories. Okay, and 1 chapati, if she likes to eat chapati, that contains 150 kilocalories. If she likes to eat 1 boiled egg or omelette, that contains 150 kilocalories. And 1 plate of salad contains 200 kilocalories. Okay, but if she says that I like to take the potato plus meat salad, so we should tell her that it contains more calories. Okay, it contains 250 kilocalories. Okay, so we have now an overlook at the different food items. Now, how to make the diet chart? Before we make the diet chart, it's very important that first of all we need to calculate the BM of the patient. It's not the case that we give the same chart to each and every patient. Okay, we have to calculate the amount of calories needed based upon the BM of the patient. And how we will calculate it? Multiply the calories fixed by the weight of the patient. Calories fixed. Which are calories fixed? Okay, that depends upon the BMI of the patient. Like for instance, it's written in Urdu that if the weight of the patient is very high, BMI is more than 25, then we have to multiply the weight of the patient by 20. Okay, but if the weight is average, then multiply the weight by 30, and if the weight is low, means below 20, then multiply the weight by the 40. In that way we can get the amount of the calories. Okay, for instance, we calculated the weight of BMI of the patient. BMI is normal, means it is in the range of 20 to 25. Okay, so in that case we have to multiply the weight by 30, means 30 multiplied by weight results in calories needed. But if the BMI of the patient is more than 25, then we have to multiply the weight by 20, means 20 multiplied by weight give us calories needed. But if weight is less than 20, BMI is less than 20, then multiply the weight by 40. That give us the calories needed. Now here is one example, a patient with a normal BMI. Okay, this chart can be variable. You can make the chart according to your own plans, but the calories should be the same. Okay, you can change or alter the food items, but the amount of the calories should be those which I have explained. Okay, and here I'm going to give you one example of normal BMI. Okay, for example, the patient has got 60 kg weight, so we have to multiply 60 by 30. That give us 1800 kilocalories. Okay, so the different food items are shown for the breakfast, for the meals, and for snacks and the fruits. For the breakfast, you can take, for example, 1 cup of the tea without sugar, 1 boiled egg or omelette, 1 glass of milk without cream. And in the meals, you can take 1 chapati, 1 plate potato plus meat salad, and 1 plate salad. Okay, as she would definitely take 2 meals, so we have to multiply these meals by 2. Okay, and snacks and fruit means in other time of the day, she can take 1 sandwich, 2 cup of teas, and 2 bananas, 1 orange, and 1 apple. So that makes her whole day plan. Okay, you can change it a little bit depending upon the choices of the food. So this was a little bit description about how to make the diet chart. You can make your own diet charts by calculating the proper amount of calories. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. That is all about the diet chart making.